Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Friday, March the 20th. I said May again, March the 20th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is the email address you can use if you have any questions for me. A link for our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. The room is open Monday to Fridays, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. Well, obviously over the last 3 weeks to a month now, we've had these crazy actions in the SPY. So the SPY was actually up pre-market. Looked like it was going to be pretty good, and then it started to drop, and we're trying to come back a little bit. All I'm looking for, I'd love to see just, even if it's a mildly positive close, just get a couple of days up in a row. maybe give the market a bit of a breather. But anyway, again, I didn't really trade very much again. I am being asked a lot of questions in the room, which is absolutely fine, so I cannot really concentrate that much on trading. My watch list was again awesome today. I mean, if you should be following my watch list, all you have to do is click on new channel bar and my watch list, okay? My window's right there, and you'll see the watch list that I create every single day. And again, on the long side, it was incredible, really. Lots of great looks. Let me see if I can find a couple. ATKR, I think, was one of them. I don't have the... There it is, ATKR. I think the alert was at 1696, got up to 1834. I don't want to go over them all. I mean, they're all really good. Now, a lot of them, of course, started to fall once the market started to do this, okay? And as I say, the watch list, if you're going to go long something, it's great to have a nice trend like that. And so that's why you have to be aware of what the market is doing. You get into trades, you have to be aware of what the market is doing. So even if you're using the simulator, you should trade it, you should think of it as your real money. So the minute the market starts to do something like this, you should be looking to exit your trades, or certainly getting out of a percentage or a half of them. And not half the trades, but half your positions in the trades, just to protect yourself. You cannot allow, something that you've been making money on to turn into a loss because you're not following what the market is doing. And that's the issue these days. The market is putting in, 100, 200, 300, 400 point swings intraday. So you have to be following. You cannot just walk away, walk the dog, make yourself a big meal and come back and expect that, everything should be rosy. Anyway, this is the only trade I took today, and it turned out to be okay. It was a modest little trade. Came from my watch list. The alert was at 736. I got, you can see the candle right there. I got into the trade, I think it was at 742. And, I don't even know what this, Invesco Dynamic Credit Opportunities. Had a nice little percentage run. It got all the way up to, all the way up to 777 from my entry at 742. That's a great percentage move. I didn't get out at the top. I got out at 763 and 771. So before it finally pulled back. So there was one really tremendous AI trade, which I may get into, 533. And this one got all the way up to 676. And I'm looking maybe to get back into this one. I didn't take the trade because I was busy doing other things. I saw it when it was right around here, and I thought, boy, this looks really interesting. I like the Holly alerts that are under $20, and so that really attracted me. And it looks like it only has 140,000 shares in the float, some crazy low float, but. Anyway, I am looking maybe to get back into this trade, or not back into it, but take this trade right here. If it gets over 610. The problem with it, when I was watching it, the bid was 6 and the ask was 609. So you can't trade. It's too big a spread for a $6 stock. So I'm just kind of waiting to see if the bid can catch up to the ask,
MEIP.
and then maybe only if the market continues to move. If the market starts to move down. I'm not going to take that trade. I think you need the market on your side for a trade like this. Anyway, guys, I'm exhausted. This has been an exhausting week. Obviously, lots and lots happening with all these swings, with intraday swings.
Booyah!
And I'm just looking here that it. See, this is I had my alert, my price alert. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I had my price alert set right here, but I still the spread is 604, 609, so it's getting closer. At least it's not 609. So I'll have to make a decision, but again, I do not want to take that trade unless the market is on my side. So anyway, guys, who knows what Monday morning is going to bring? We're going to get news, of course, over the weekend. You want to follow Sunday night? Check your futures. CNN has or CNN Money or something like that. Just type in SPY futures, and then you can follow along to see what the futures are Sunday night, and that'll give you a good indication of how the market is going to open Monday morning. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room and maybe take that trade in PAE. So I'm going to wind this up, or wind this down, not wind it up, wind it down. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for the free room. I'll open the room Monday morning at 9 o'clock, and I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.